So let's talk about how to choose a mantra. Mantras are extremely personal things. So what we're going to do today is I have a PDF, a little attachment here for you if you look, with all the very common mantras, the ones that are easiest to remember, are extremely powerful, and those will be your choices, although they don't need to be. You can always Google and you can always create your own mantra. That's fine too. This video is just a little tip on how to choose, and I'm just here to remind you that you just trust your intuition. So if you look at this sheet and you don't find what you're looking for, then your mantra's not there. But if you do look at the sheet and you find it like that, ooh, I love the sound of that, or that one feels really good when I say it, or I need to overcome more obstacles in my life, so I'm going to choose the Ganesha one. Whatever your intention is. If it resonates, go with it. There's no right or wrong. Okay, so that's my reminder to you on how to choose a mantra. Traditionally, a guru would pass down a mantra to you specifically for you after a period of time. I don't think that's necessary. You are the guru. You know what is good for you. Your intuition is that guru, so trust it. That is the main point of this video. Just trust it. So take a look at that list that I have for you, and you can choose any one that you want. Just choose one and make sure that you stick with it. So you can choose Om, the primordial sound. You can choose Om Namah Shivaya. You can choose Om Shanti. Any of those. Most of them will be Sanskrit. Like I said, you can choose something else that you feel resonates with you. If you want to choose something in English because that feels better, that's totally okay. So when you take a look at this, after you're done with this video, just pause and take a look at your sheet there. And what I'd like you to do is just find a quiet place to read over, and basically I want you to say each one of those mantras slowly and with intention. So slowly and soulfully. Don't just read through it or be occupied with something else or have something else on your mind. Just take a moment, close the door, put some noise canceling headphones on, just for literally 2 minutes. Read through each of those mantras and just listen to the sound of your voice and feel the mantra. Not all of them are going to feel particularly good. Some you won't feel anything, and others, hopefully, will give you a little buzz, a little, ooh, that sounds good. I think I'm going to go with that one. You should have that sort of feeling when you go through it. Okay, so get going and choose your mantra, and I will see you in the next video.